We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp's Kanban feature effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to use the Kanban view. Go to the left-hand sidebar and select Spaces. Then choose the space you're working in. Next, click on the Tasks tab at the top of the screen. You'll find a View button on the right-hand side. Click it and select Board from the drop-down menu. This will switch your task list to a Kanban board. You can then start organizing your tasks into columns that represent different stages of your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can add a new task by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of any column. To move a task from one stage to another, simply drag and drop it to the respective column. If you need to edit a task, click on it to open the task details where you can add descriptions, due dates, and assign it to team members. You can also create custom statuses by clicking the Add Column button, which allows for more tailored workflow management. Remember, the Kanban view is great for visualizing your workflow and ensuring tasks are moving along efficiently. Don't forget to take advantage of ClickUp's ability to integrate with other tools you use, like Slack or Google Calendar, to streamline your project management further. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.